need to apply for freelancing jobs anymore. No proposals, no connection, no rejection emails. Client can find you automatically using AI SEO. In this video, I will show you how to smart freelancers are using AI plus SEO to get USA clients on autopilot. Stop applying, start attracting. Why applying for job is a trap? Let's be honest. On freelancing platform, you are competing the hundreds of freelancers, often working for cheap. That's the trap. Too much competition, race to the lowest price, no brand authority, platform independency. But USA clients don't want cheap, they want experts they can trust. That is where AI SEO changed the game. At first, we need to know what is AI SEO for freelancer. Very simple. Conduct your SEO with the help of AI tools. I want to clear. AI SEO means using artificial intelligence tools to find high intent keywords, create client focused content, rank on Google and YouTube, attract ready to pay clients. Instead of chasing clients, you build a system that brings them to you. Let's follow the well organized and systematic steps. Step 1. Choose a client focused niche. Most freelancers love to heavy their profile with lots of skill, sometimes 10 to 20. One single person can't be an expert in all skills. Everyone knows it. First rule, stop saying I do everything. Cross it. Never write these types of sentence I do everything in your profile. USA clients search for solutions, not freelancer. Example, don't write like digital marketer, affiliate marketer, SEO expert. Because of these types of broad niches, you are facing keywords difficulties and huge competition. And USA buyers will be confused about your micro expertise. Instead, write local SEO for USA dentists, Shopify SEO for US e-commerce brands, or AI content SEO for SaaS, that means SaaS companies. That means you have to select your micro niche at first. Step 2. Use AI to find buyers keywords. Now we use AI to find keywords that clients actually search. AI tools you can mention like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Copilot, Href, SMrush, Uber Suggest, Google Search plus AI prompts. You can write like this. Example of prompt. Give me high intent SEO keywords used by US business owners looking for SEO services. These keywords mean one thing, money is involved. Step 3. Create authority content using AI and automate your YouTube, LinkedIn with also AI. This is where freelancers win. Create content that answers client problems. Content types: blog posts, YouTube videos, LinkedIn posts, case studies. Now the question is here, how to find problematic trending titles to write blogs, articles, or create tutorials video. That means I want to tell which types of blog or articles you will write or what types of tutorial video we will make. Answer. Write a well organized, effective prompt to ChatGPT, Copilot, and Perplexity AI. Like this, Write 5 trending titles that are being suffered by USA dentist or USA criminal lawyer or your desired keywords. What keywords you are thinking about? Thus, find the common titles and then write blogs or create videos on how to solve the issues from it. Thus, create authority and viral content with AI. Examples: you can make a video like this, or you can write an article in LinkedIn. How Texas dentists get 50% more patient using SEO. Like this, best local SEO strategy for US small businesses. Use AI to write faster, but never depend on AI 100%. Edit like an expert or human. Step 4. Rank where USA clients are searching. How to use AI SEO to get USA clients fast. USA clients search on Google, YouTube, LinkedIn. So, if you show your presence in the above platform, a USA client will find you. So, your content must be optimized for SEO plus trust. Now, you need to know the SEO checklist. What you have to include in your article or whatever your blog, what you are writing about this. And you have to optimize your video. Keywords in title, clear service pages, location based keywords, strong call to action. Do this, and instead of chasing clients, your content will attract them. Step 5. Turn traffic into client leads. How to turn traffic into client leads? Got website traffic but no clients. Traffic without leads is just noise. I think everyone will experience this. Main message in scaling your business: turn traffic into client leads. Every single page on your site should scream on the thing loud and clear. Here is how to work with me. Highlights this: how to work with me. Everyone should know it. CTA examples. Make it impossible to miss your call to action. So, must use the CTS including others. Book a free SEO strategy call. Get a free website audit. Email me for a custom quota. Remember, traffic is only powerful when it converts. Format your pages to guide visitors straight into becoming becoming paying clients. Like this: sign up, get started, subscribe now, like this. Final mindset shift: how to use AI to get clients instead of competing. Here is the final mindset shift every freelancer needs. Freelancer who apply for jobs compete, but freelancer who use AI powered SEO get chosen. I think you understand this. Again, I am telling it, repeat it. Freelancers who apply for jobs compete, but freelancer who use AI powered SEO get chosen. Stop wasting time sending endless proposals. Instead, start building digital asset that attract clients automatically. I want to say you: stop applying, start ranking, start earning. If you find value in this video and want more AI plus SEO strategies to win high paying USA clients, AI SEO plus freelancing tutorials, subscribe to Global Freelancer Academy today. Comment AI if you want the next video. Thank you.